Taxes is a giant game of chess. So you have a bunch of rules and a bunch of pieces, and depending on how you move them, in what coordination, you get to your goal, which is effectively a 0% tax rate, right? That's the goal for everyone, legally, right?
Don't do like I do and just throw numbers in the block and hope that you don't get a letter.
Right there, a little bit of a tangent. We use something called an aggression scale, okay? And it looks at every single tax strategy, exactly. We coined this term, we created this term. So 0 to 10, 0 meaning the IRS never calls you, never ever, except for a random audit, which can happen, okay? 10 meaning we're all going to jail, okay?
Yeah.
And what you just described is a 9, right? We call it the Al Capone, right? I'm going to do bad things or figure out numbers and hope I never get caught, okay? So we try to drag people to an 8, which is, the highest on our level that we're willing to go. So take all the strategies, use everything you possibly can. But of course, nothing illegal, right? As a redhead, red and orange do not go well together. So I'm not going to jail. I hope you don't go to jail, right? This is our strategy. So when we first meet with a new client, we always ask them, well, where do you sit on this scale? Because if they say most entrepreneurs are 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, sometimes they'll tell me 20 and I'm like, no, come back to the good side, right? Like we're on this side, we're on the 8 side. But some people want to be a 2. They want some tax strategies, but they really don't want to ever hear from the IRS. And so every person has their thing. So sorry for the mini tangent, but
no, that's great. I love living in danger, and you just confirmed it. So I'm good.
You're my 9. I love it. Most people don't even think about that as a question for their professional team. They really don't. Because they go to a CPA, they go to their financial advisor and they say, well, I like you as a person and I agree with your investment philosophy, or, I think that you do a good job. I've never been audited, right? Well, the problem is if you are a level 8 as an entrepreneur and your CPA is a level 2, firstly, they're not even bringing you level 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strategies. Like they just either don't know them or they know about them, but they won't tell you, right? So they're automatically filtering things that you may want on your file. Right. So it's actually really important. It's one of the questions we tell everyone, please go ask your CPA, your bookkeeper, your financial advisor, this aggression scale question. Because if they don't line up with you, it might be time to go find someone else.